Hello, Andrew. I'm Brittany. I'm going to be your nurse today. I'm just going to be taking a listen to your lungs and your heart today. I'm going to start in the back with your lung sounds. So every time you feel my stethoscope touch, I just want you to take a nice deep breath in and out. Good. Good. I heard a little bit of an expiratory wheeze in the upper lobes here, bilaterally. Now I'm going to touch the back of your back, and when I do, I want you to say 99.
99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99.
Good. And they're equal vibration. I'm going to come anteriorly and do the same thing. Say 99.
99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99.
I'm going to take a listen to your breath sounds anteriorly. Take a nice deep breath. Good. Now I'm going to listen to your heart sounds. You can breathe normal. I'm going to start with the aortic valve, which is in the second intercostal space in the right sternal border. And the pulmonic is in the second intercostal space in the left sternal border. Erb's point is in the third intercostal space, left sternal border. Sounds regular. Then the tricuspid is in the fourth intercostal space, left sternal border. And last but not least, the mitral valve is in the fifth intercostal space in the mid-clavicular line. No murmurs or anything. And that wraps up our heart sounds and lung sounds assessment.